Hey guys, welcome back to Objective Reviews. My name's Nick, and today we're going to be checking out Deliveries, a parcel, or as my American friends like to call it, a package tracking app. Now, if you've often found yourself in a situation where you order a bunch of things from Amazon or some other online retailer and they give you an AWB or an order ID to track by yourself manually, well, you know it can be a pain to have to go and do that manually on their website. Now what Deliveries does is automates all of this for you and also gives you push notifications for updates as they come in, especially when it's out for delivery, so you don't miss it. Sounds quite interesting? Well, let's check out the app. Now the app itself, it still maintains its original characteristic design that I really love, and it's also one of the reasons why I decided to finally feature it on this channel, especially given that I have been using this app for the past 2 years. Now, I use this app on my iPhone, my watch, my iPad, on my Mac, and it's really brilliant. I just can't live without it anymore. And when you open the app, you may find yourself, you already have a couple of orders that you added, or if this is a fresh install, well, you'll have to go and add your orders in there. That is still a manual process, and I don't think that can be automated, and you can decide which orders to track and not to track. Now, for example, you have an order from Amazon, and what you can do is in Safari, open the Amazon webpage, go to your orders and go to the particular order where the order number is displayed. Now, if you open the iOS sharing dialog in Safari itself, you'll see a new menu option added that is Add to Deliveries. And when you tap on it, Deliveries is automatically going to detect the order number from Amazon, or if it's the website for FedEx or DHL, the AWB number, and suggest that you add it to Deliveries. And if its auto detection fails, you can manually select the appropriate carrier. Once you've done that, the order is added to your app. And when you open the app again, you can see the order in there. Now, some services will require you to be logged in. For example, Amazon and Apple. It tracks a lot of orders from a lot of Amazon properties. So Amazon in, com, co.uk are the ones that I know that work out of the box. All the Apple international stores and the US store work out of the box. You just have to log in. Now, what this app also does is securely store your logins for future use when it needs to download updates and notify you. Now, once you've added the order will appear in your list. Deliveries will fetch the initial information and also show you how long it's going to take for your order to reach you if that kind of information is available. You can always tap on an order to view the full detailed view of the order itself. And as you can see on the top, you have a beautifully rendered map that shows you where your order is starting and where it is right now. So that's pretty neat. And this works throughout the world and it isn't region locked in any way that I know of. Now there's also search, but as you can see on my screen, search is a bit broken because I'm running iOS 11, the betas, and well, an update isn't available obviously. So yeah, I'm pretty sure the developers will get to it, or they already have and are just waiting for iOS 11 to drop on Tuesday next week. Now from the search, you can search for your previous orders by name or order ID or AWB number, whatever you have in mind. It'll track it for you and it'll search it for you. And once you have that down, you can always go into the previous order and check out the information. You can also restore the order from here or even share it with a friend or family if you'd like. Maybe you're not at home and someone else is, you can just share the order with them and they can add it to their app. Now what's really interesting here is that this is a universal app and it works out of the box on the iPad and is fully optimized for it. Now I have the iPad Pro and it still looks and works as expected. It is a split view app and well, that is the right decision to make. You can always expand it to use the full width available to it, but I still do like the split view. And as you can see, it looks really gorgeous. And the map, well, now that it's bigger, it looks even better. Now this app will cost you a couple of $100 if you're in India, or a couple of dollars if you're in the US or anywhere else. And it's easiest one of the first downloads that I install on my new devices, hands down. I mean, apart from Tweetbot, I think this is the second or third app that I install every single time on all of my new devices. So a couple of $100 for me to not have to go to the carrier websites and manually track my AWBs, well, you've got me as you've seen. So yeah, and the Mac app itself, you get the Mac app and the notification center widget as well for it. So double thumbs up for that. So if you frequently find yourself ordering from Amazon or other online retailers and you need to track these packages to make sure they get to you on time, well, this is the app that you need. Well, if you've liked this review, hit the like button. If you disliked it, leave me a comment down below and let me know why you disliked it. If you're new around here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.